Welcome to our channel, our Sweet Life Vlog.
In this video, tara at mag-road trip tayo papuntang Minnesota.
Let's go!
Hello! Kamusta kayo? Samahan niyo kami ngayon sa aming road trip papuntang Minnesota. Halos 7 hanggang 7.5 hours ang drive mula sa Winnipeg papunta sa Minnesota. Pagkatapos halos ng mga isang oras ay narating na rin natin ang US border. Truck dito sa kanan.
Bababa muna tayo tapos.
Wow, we're in the United States of America!
Duty free. United
Dito
States.
ba tayo? Dito sa kabila.
Dito ang cars. Numbers are skip.
Dito sa kabila.
I-ready nyo lang yung mga passport nyo with US visa or travel documents. Pag Canadian passport, hindi nila kailangan ng US visa. Please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel, our Sweet Life Vlog. Nakatapos na kami sa US border, so halos mga total of 5 to 10 minutes ang aming wait time mula nung pumila kami sa border. Ilan sa mga tanong sa amin ay kung saan kami pupunta, kung gaano kami katagal mag-i-stay sa US, at mga accommodations. Sa anak ko naman, tinanong kung paano niya kami nakilala. Today, pupunta tayo sa Great Wolf Lodge sa Minnesota.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time.
What?
Looks like you're changing and all. Well, why didn't you call?
Carabao.
Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me?
Yung mga trucks. Dinadaanan tayong rain clouds. Rain clouds. Clouds with rain. Yeah, I know. Nawala na nga yung bugs eh. Yung mga bugs na namatay na sa shield natin. Sa windshield natin. Okay na, malinis na. Nature's way of cleaning the car.
Mas mamatay nga kasi umapatak yung puwersa niya. Tatanggal yung ano. Grabe.
Yeah. What's so Marco next exit. Almost every 2 hours, nagpapagas kami at saka nagwa-washroom break.
At the light, turn right onto 12th Avenue North.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone.
Adventure Park? Saan ang
Hotel
entrance natin?
check-in. Hotel check-in. Kahit saan. Dito ang
Park Adventure to.
kahit saan.
May parking tayo, di ba?
Why is your slide clear?
Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
We're here at Great Wolf Lodge. Ang Great Wolf Lodge ay isang hotel/indoor water park dito sa Minnesota. Dito kami mag-stay for 3 days and 2 nights. Ang check-in time is anytime after 4 p.m. at ang check-out time is before 11 a.m. Nasa first floor ang lobby, water park, dining, shopping, and arcade. Sa second floor naman ay may pizza and bar kung saan tayo bibili ng pagkain mamaya. And yung 3rd to 8th floor are guest rooms. To 6.
Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean. Yeah, in the empty body lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel. Yeah.
This is the bathroom.
Lotion?
This is a bar, a soap bar.
Yeah, but where's the lotion?
This is the hydrating body lotion. And this is
Check.
the conditioning shampoo.
Is there any like soap?
Meron din sila ditong mga towels at saka yung hair dryer. This is the closet. May mga hangers at saka laundry bag. Sa labas ng bathroom dito sa may hallway, merong sink. So, pwede ka na ditong mag-toothbrush at maghilamos. Hindi mo na kailangang hintayin pang matapos yung nasa bathroom. May lagayan din ng ice cubes. Meron din silang pinrovide na coffee, cups, and coffee maker kung gusto mong magkape.
Okay, guys, we need to go to the bathroom.
May 2 queen beds. Microwave at fridge. Wala naman. Meron ding maliit na table. So, ito ang aming view. Ten. And we have a very beautiful sofa over here. At meron din ditong wooden chest turned into coffee table. Nakaano na siguro, nakalak.
Parang empty lang.
Hollow. And then may...
Let me show you how flexible I am. So there's two ways. I did one. This, right guys? There's two ways. So one way is in the back like this. Mommy, I need a popcorn. Popcorn.
Yeah, you get a popcorn. Upon check-in, binigyan kami ng mga wristbands para magamit pagpasok sa aming suite at sa water park. Meron silang provided carts para sa baggages. Nandito kami ngayon sa second floor para bumili ng makakain. Six wings na lang, siya. Anong barbecue? Ano pa?
Chicken Alfredo.
Chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo or ito?
Yes.
There.
OMG, guys, we're finally at our hotel. I'm so happy, yay! I want to go into bed. Whee!
Spaghetti. barbecue chicken wings. Smells good, the barbecue.
Hello guys, so I will eat too, but I finished one pizza. I'm so full. I'm gonna go to bed.
Uh-oh. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Our Sweet Life Vlog, and see you on our next video. Bye!